sum of geometric sequence. Let's proceed to the sum to infinity. If we have negative 1 less than r less than 1, then we have the formula s equals a sub 1 over 1 minus r. Ang r natin dito is fraction. Example, consider the infinite geometric sequence 1/3, 1 over 9, 1 over 27, 1 over 81. First, we're going to find the ratio. Okay, to find the ratio, sabi ko kanina, i-divide natin yung pumapangalawa sa naunang term. Okay, pipili lang tayo ng dalawa. Okay, so let's try. 1 over 9 divided by 1 over 3. Multiply ko lang yung parehong extreme, which is 1 times 3, then it is equal to 3. And then, 9 times 1 equals 9. 3 divided by 9. Hindi siya pwedeng i-divide kasi mas mataas yung denominator kaysa sa numerator. So, ang gagawin lang natin, lowest term lang natin siya. So, the greatest common factor of 3 and 9 is 3. So, i-divide natin siya both numerator and denominator by 3. So, 3 divided by 3 equals 1. And 9 divided by 3 equals 3. So, therefore, ang ratio natin is 1 over 3. So, substitute na natin doon sa formula natin, which is, we have s equals, ang a sub 1 natin is 1 over 3. All over 1 minus, ang ratio natin is 1 over 3. Then, it is equal to the equation now. We have s equals 1 over 3 all over 1 minus 1 over 3. Then, it is equal to 1 over 3. Re-rewrite lang natin yung numerator. And then, isi-simplify natin yung nasa denominator. Okay, to simplify, get the LCD. The LCD is 3. So, ang denominator ng 1 is 1. So, 3 divided by 1 is 3 times 1 equals 3. Okay, then 3 divided by 3 is 1 times negative 1 equals negative 1. We have 1 over 3 all over 3 minus 1 equals 2. 2 over 3. Therefore, we have 1/3 all over 2 over 3. Okay, next, simplify. Multiply 1 times 3 equals 3. And then 3 times 2 equals 6. Okay, shortcut na itong ginagawa ko. Then, simplify natin yung 3 over 6. So, 3 over 6, di-divide natin siya both numerator and denominator ng 3. Because 3 is the greatest common factor of 3 and 6. So, 3 divided by 3 equals 1. Divided by 3 equals 2. Okay, therefore, the sum to infinity of the given sequence is 1/2. Okay, next, it's time for your activity number 3. Find the sum to infinity of the sequence 4, 1, 1/4, 1 over 16. Okay, good luck.